It's a beautiful sunny day, and the light brings life into my soul. Today I'll be installing some backer board for our hearth. Gonna put a pause on the hearth project. We are going to hang out with a bunch of awesome families for the big get together. Look at this beautiful land we get to visit. So beautiful. Woo-wee. So I'm at Home Depot. I bought this heater and hose adapter with a regulator, but it does not fit, of course, the fitting. So now I'm trying to figure out where I can get the right adapters and fittings. They do have this adapter, but it doesn't have a regulator on it. It would be so nice if companies made it more straightforward to like hook up a 20-pound propane tank to a heater, because if you use those tiny cans up there, the little propane tiny cans, doesn't last that long at all. So back to the drawing board. All right, so I'm out here testing these in my van. I originally got this replacement hose with a regulator, but the fitting, that end does not fit into the heater properly. So then I went back and got just a normal adapter, and from what I read online, there is allegedly a self-regulator in this heater, so I should be fine just using the hose adapter itself. I'm about to see how it goes. Done. It's been close to 30 seconds. Alright, so as far as I can tell, it works. Back from the store, got all our backup propane heaters and propane tanks and everything. I haven't filmed much today. Today has been one of those run around with your head slightly intact kind of days. And got some supplies for our contractors outside who's working on the fascia and soffit and all that good stuff around the other building right now. Ariel is out delivering a meal to I was gonna say newborn mother, mother of a newborn who just had her baby yesterday or the day before, I think. And so I'm gonna start tackling this, and I've determined I'm not gonna be doing the back wall because of how far the stove's gonna be out. The stovepipe's gonna be, I don't know, over 20 inches away from the wall, maybe further, but it's gonna be way further away from the wall than it needs to be to use single wall pipe. And as much as I'd like the looks of doing cool slate ceramic tile up the back, money is going quickly on the house, so that'll save us about $300. I'm gonna start in on the floor. See this guy right here? I got this for my jigsaw, and it's made to cut through cement board. For the cement board going into the floor, I'm going to use the same large format tile mortar that I'm going to be using for the tiles. So, quick update. We got nothing done. You are now up to speed. I was in town a lot. I got supplies for our contractors that worked out for them. Got propane. I got backup heaters for the crazy storm coming. By the way, someone who's lived here 26 years just told me, yeah, I've lived here 26 years and I've never lived through what they're calling for on the forecast in a couple days. And I'm like, nice. What a great welcome party here.
Our kids are just excited that they're getting a white Christmas finally, but it's going to be beyond that, I think.
Yeah, and I don't know how much snow's going to fall, especially with the wind. It's supposed to be 30. Now it's maybe even higher, 30 to 40 mile an hour winds maybe. So whatever comes down is probably going to blow very far, but we'll see. To get that pad done over there and the cement board down, so hopefully in about 24 hours I can start tiling.
Sweet.
So that's cool, yeah. And I got all of the wood stove parts ordered today from various sources. I think I finally figured out everything I need, so that's cool. So in a week and a half or so, we might have what we need, and we might have the weather. We'll see.